Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can block email addresses inside of Gmail. So if you want to stop receiving email from a specific email address, then there's two different ways that we can do this. The first thing you need to do is head over to your Gmail account, and if you already have an email inside of here from the sender that we want to block, then the first and quickest way of blocking this email address is just heading over to the email of the sender that we want to block. And then you'll need to select these three vertical dots in the right hand side here and come over to block on the sender. So for example, if I wanted to block Apple, then I could just go ahead and select that here. And you'll get this message pop up on the screen saying all future messages from Apple will be marked as spam. And then we can go ahead and select block. And that's going to stop any emails from Apple from appearing inside of our inbox. And of course, if you made a mistake here, you could always press unblock sender to reverse this action. So that's the first and easiest way to block an email address from Gmail. The second method that we can use, which is useful if you haven't actually received an email from the sender, is by coming over to the settings icon at the top here and then selecting see all settings. From these options in the top, we need to come over to filters on blocked addresses. And as you can see down here, here's the email address that I just blocked from Apple. So to set up a rule that now blocks a new email address, all we need to do is select create a new filter and then type in the email address of the sender that you want to block. For example, let's just say I'm going to type in admin@outlook.com. Then we can go ahead and select create filter. So you'll have a few options inside of here. You can choose for emails from this sender to just skip the inbox, which means you'll never see the email appear in your inbox over here, and they'll just be archived or sent to spam automatically. Or if you just don't want to receive emails altogether and you don't want to bother archiving them, then you can just go ahead and select delete it. And that way it's not going to be taking up any storage within our Gmail account, as the emails would just automatically be deleted. So it's really up to you here what you want to decide to do. I'm just going to select skip the inbox. Then we can go ahead and select create filter. So now, as you can see, we've successfully blocked two different email addresses in two different ways. And it really is as simple as that. That's how you block email addresses inside of Gmail. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.